Spring. Perfect driving weather. While the sunshine might have you ready to get on the road, your vehicle may need a little love after coming out of a harsh winter. Fortunately, AutoZone has what you need to pull your car back into top shape so you can make the most of the season.
There are 5 main things to check for when you're doing spring car care. First, battery. Cold temperatures can cause battery issues. Next, wipers. Windshield wipers might need replacement after battling winter weather. Replacing your windshield wipers is one of the easiest things you can do on a vehicle. Most just click into place. It's important to get your car cleaned and detailed because your car's paint can be vulnerable after dealing with dirt, rain, ice, and snow. You can clean your car and protect the paint yourself with great wash and wax products from AutoZone. Check out our car wash bucket deals and do the complete job for less. Since your filters need regular replacement, spring is a great time to have fresh, clean filters. Filter replacement is simple enough to do yourself and so important for you and your engine. Just remember, the air filter helps your engine breathe and the cabin air filter helps you breathe. And finally, Fix Finder. Sometimes a check engine light or some other indicator can come on that's going to require some attention. If you're dealing with a warning light, the free AutoZone Fix Finder service can give you a printed and digital reading of the codes, an analysis of the problem, and recommended solutions. If the problem feels too complex to solve yourself, we'll refer you to a trusted local shop. You can handle many of these repairs yourself, especially with the help from a friendly AutoZoner.
When it comes to the maintenance of my car, I'm in unfamiliar territory. Just the thought of going to the auto parts store used to terrify me. But not too long ago, I had a battery issue, and an AutoZoner was really there to help me.
There are more than 6,000 AutoZone locations in the U.S., and every single one offers free battery testing. It's part of what makes AutoZone America's #1 battery destination.
Battery issues can usually be solved at AutoZone. We can test yours for free and hook you up with a new battery if you need it. We have a range of quality choices from Duralast, America's #1 battery choice, ready to be installed. We are here to help. So when Jamie came in with her battery issue, we started by testing her battery for free. We also tested the starter and alternator for free to make sure we identified the problem correctly. It only took a few minutes. It turned out she was due for a replacement. We set her up with a new, reliable Duralast Gold battery, and then she went on her way. As AutoZoners, we go the extra mile to ensure our customers get the help they need.
Let's find out what brings Jamie back to AutoZone today.
Welcome to AutoZone. What are you working on today?
Hi, do you remember that you told me that if I see a warning light turn on my dashboard, I can come to AutoZone?
I sure do. Let's find out what your car needs.
What is that?
The free AutoZone Fix Finder service gives information about why the lights came on and gives recommendations for next steps.
What types of lights does it check?
Check engine, ABS, and maintenance lights.
How does it work?
Magic.
What does it do?
Fix Finder interprets information from your vehicle's computer and then runs that information through a database by millions of technician-verified fixes. Then, it provides an explanation and recommended solutions. It's the most complete warning light reported backed by technician-verified fixes.
How do I get the report and understand it?
A friendly AutoZoner like me will walk you through the report and make sure it makes sense. Then we print it out and email the report for you to have.
What kind of fixes do people need?
A lot of issues are pretty basic and just require a part replacement you can do yourself. With the free Loan-A-Tool program, AutoZone even has tools you can borrow. But if the situation is more complex, we can recommend a trusted local shop to help you with the repair. We AutoZoners are always ready to help you. That's what we're here for.
To find out more about how AutoZone free services are helping people get back on the road, visit AutoZone.com. And of course, you can always visit us at designingspaces.tv.